Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your Shiba Inu (SHIB) tokens from your Ledger Nano X to MetaMask in 2025. With the crypto landscape changing fast, staying secure and up-to-date is key to protecting your assets. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this tutorial will make the process straightforward and stress-free. First things first, let's cover the basics. Make sure you have your Ledger Nano X device set up, with your SHIB tokens stored in an Ethereum account. You'll also need MetaMask installed on your browser and connected to the Ethereum network, as SHIB is an ERC20 token. Double-check that your ledger is updated to the latest firmware for 2025 compatibility. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. Unlock your device with your PIN for security. Step 2. In Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts tab and select your Ethereum account that holds your SHIB tokens. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Step 3. Open MetaMask in your browser. If you don't have a wallet set up, create one now and copy the receiving address. Be extra careful not to share this with anyone. Step 4. Back in Ledger Live, go to the Send section. Paste the MetaMask address as the recipient. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to withdraw, and review the transaction fees. Remember, fees can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Step 5. Hit Send, and your Ledger device will display a confirmation screen. Carefully verify the details on your physical device to prevent any errors or hacks. Step 6. Once confirmed, the transaction will broadcast to the Ethereum blockchain. This might take a minute or two, so grab a coffee and keep an eye on it. Finally, head back to MetaMask and refresh your wallet to confirm the SHIB has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets like Ledger. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe out there, and see you in the next video.